Hey guys, what's up? I want to take time to show you how to file this BOI report. We're going to walk step by step how to actually do it. I'm going to show you how to file my own form here. I've got to do this for my company, so I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. And this is our White Elephant Christmas Day, so that's why I'm spiffed out in this Christmas jacket. This isn't my regular Tuesday garb, but anyway, let's talk about how to file BOI. Again, I've highlighted high level what this is. You've got to do this by January 1st, 2025. If you have a corporation or an LLC that was formed before Jan 2024. So this is important to get done. We've got some options to do this through a paid service. So we've got BOI e-file. If you want to use that, you can. It's in the link to my signatures. I'll put in a link to this thing. That's not it. This is it. BOI e-file. So here is that. If you want to do this yourself, you can go through this site. This has been vetted by by us. This is someone we trust. We know trust. We work with them. We get a little bit of money on this. This costs you $250 to do, but it's probably your easiest. Well, now the payment's gone up to $350, so it's gone up a little bit. But if you need to get this done and you don't want to do it, pay for this, go ahead. If you want to do it yourself, here's how we're going to do it. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type BOI reporting. And then it's going to take me to the FinCEN website. Otherwise, I'm going to send you this link. You can follow this right here, but I'm going to show you step by step how to get through it. So if we use the FinCEN website, it's going to take us to this BOI thing. It's going to have all kind of information. If you want to click through it, fine. If you want to file this, go here. It's going to take you to this report, and it's going to say BOI e-filing or BSA e-filing. This is other things that FinCEN monitors, like FBARs and things like that. We're only concerned about the beneficial ownership report. So here's get started. It's going to give us a few different options. PDF BOR, online BOR, or system API. We don't have APIs built in for this automated stuff. So we're just going to click this middle one, file BOIR. And this is what it is. So first off, it's going to ask you, is this an initial report or not? For me, this is an initial report. The date this is being prepared is the date that you're doing this. Then you've got all of this paperwork notice you got to agree to. Then we're going to say next. Next, it's going to have reporting company. It's going to say request to receive FinCEN ID or a foreign pooled investment vehicle. I don't have any foreign pooled investment vehicle clients, so this will always not be checked. Request to receive a FinCEN ID. What this is if you want for your company applicant information, like me, Vince Porter, if I don't want to put Vince Porter, my social, all this stuff each and every time, then I would request a FinCEN ID, and that's a special number allocated to FinCEN that we can put in each time. I would say don't worry about this right now. If you're doing one, you don't need to do it. So here, we're going to go down to, so neither one of these are going to be checked. We're going to go down to reporting company legal name. This is going to be Porter and Associates, Inc. Alternate name, DBA. I don't have a DBA here, so I don't have to worry about it. Tax identification number, depending on whether you're an entity, social, whatever, this is going to be the EIN of the company you're doing it. So this is my EIN. So I'm going to put it in there. Country or jurisdiction, only if this is a foreign ID. So if that said foreign ID, we would have to tell what country, but that's not the case here. It does want to know what country we're in. So we're in the U.S. What state this was registered in. For me, this was registered in Texas. Be careful. Sometimes your companies might be formed in other states for whatever reasons, Wyoming, Delaware. So be careful about this. There's going to be no tribal jurisdictions because none of our clients have Indian things. Our current address, so that's for me, my office address, Boulevard, Suite 135, Irving, Texas. Oh, it's this United States, Texas, and then my zip code. All right, we're going to go to next. It's going to ask me for the company applicant. So this is the person that's doing this. So I am doing this. I don't have a FinCEN ID, so I'm just going to put my name here. So my last name, Vincent, my birthday, and then it wants to know my address. So I'm going to put my business address in here. You can put your residential address, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Suite 135, Irving, United States, Texas, 75038. Form of type of identification. So this is where you got to put in your driver's license. So I'm going to put in my driver's license here. In the US, this thing was issued in Texas, and then I've got to upload a copy of it. So I don't know where my copy of this is, but I'm just going to say that was it. Let's say I got a copy of I don't know where my driver's license is. I'm not actually filing this. I'm just showing you guys what this is. Then here, again, the beneficial owners, this is anybody that has 25% more ownership in this company. So we're filing this for my company, Porter and Associates. I'm the only person in there. I'm the only person that needs to be the beneficial owner. Your beneficial owner could be an entity, but for me, this is me personally. So I'm going to put my residential address. You guys see this, so feel free to send me a Christmas card. United States, Texas, and then 75072. Again, it's going to ask for a driver's license for your beneficial owner. And then we're going to act like this is my driver's license. Then we say next, and then you're going to put your name, your email in here, your name, and all of that. Agree to it. Click that you're human, and you're going to submit BOIR, and then you are done. Then you will get an email, and I think I've got an email associated in here. Let me see if I can find it. So I made a copy. When you're done, when I click submit, it's going to give me this. We want to then do that. Save this. You want to save this in your files to show that your filing was successful. And then you'll get some sort of email. And I can't remember BOIR confirm. Yeah, so here's one. Oh, this is another client, but this is the same thing. You'll get an email that says what your submission tracking ID, all that is. Save that as well. Once you do all that, you're done. You have got your BOI, your beneficial ownership report filed. That's all there is to that. You got to do this for every LLC, every corporation that you own or that you're a beneficial owner in. You have until January 1st, 2025 to do this, assuming it was formed before this year. Any new additional entity you form after 2024, you got 30 days to do this. So this is super important. This is how you do it. It's easy. There are a bunch of court orders out there which are trying to block all of this. I'll write about this, but this is not what this video is about. This video is just about how you file it, and that's how you file a BOI report. It's super simple, super easy.